Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Rumble application on Fire TV. Now, if you have Fire TV loaded up, just head over to the find icon and go down one step to search. So click on the search bar and your keyboard appears. Now, I need to type in Rumble, and as you type, look down on the search on the options below and you can find it pop up right here. So click on Rumble and you should be greeted with this app right here, the Rumble app. Click on the Rumble icon to launch and you find yourself within this interface. You find the download button here which you click, and over a few seconds you click and head on to the download process. So when your download begins, give it some few seconds or a minute depending on your internet connection. This should take you just a few seconds, and when it's done downloading, your installation will be seamless and automatic. So immediately it's installed. Right here is installing, you can see it, and immediately it's installed. Head over to your app library to access the app. Alternatively, you could launch the app right here with this open app button. So that concludes this tutorial. If you found value in it, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video with more content just like this.